Every domain has a structured language. Python for code, HTML for web, SQL for data. Visual creation never did. You send a prompt, you get pixels back. No schema, no contract, no way to change one thing without rebuilding everything. VGL, Visual Generative Language, is that missing link. A structured visual language where each visual element is represented in machine-readable form. Every element in the visual world is defined by the VGL, such as objects, composition, lighting, camera, aesthetics, and brand. VGL defines each element by its own properties. A prop has 8. A person is more complex, so VGL extends it to 14. Every property is independent. Camera angles don't shift the position of objects. Lighting doesn't affect your composition. Change one layer, the others hold. That's control by design, not by luck. Programming languages are designed to evolve. Need advertising components? Add a layer with the relevant properties: logo, copy, typography, and CTA. Extend the VGL for your needs. Agentic bots cannot read pixels. Pixels have no memory, no structure, no contract. VGL has all three. Read it, modify it, scale it. Agents love structure. Agents love VGL. Finally, a visual Gen AI that agents can work with. One language. From code to canvas to agents.